I think many of us feel like if we let go, if we really let go, we're going to open up a Pandora's box. If we really let go, all of this stuff's going to come out. All of this stuff that I'm holding at bay, stuff that I'm protecting against, that's all gonna come out. And what I saw in my training and in my practice, I saw people that I felt had some real liberation, some real freedom. And what I saw about them was that they were living really wide open. They were living wide open. They weren't playing it safe. They weren't holding it together. They weren't keeping the lid on it. Okay? They were living again, wide open and vulnerable, and they were feeling all of those things. It's not that you stop feeling things. It's not that you get to this place where you're unfeeling. It's that you've opened up all the doors and you're living in this changing, wild, unfiltered life. And so you're living with the Pandora's box open, and that's where the real joy, the real big energy, the real love comes. And it can be messy and it can be tricky, but that's what I saw, and that's what I see, is that opening up all the doors. That's what it's about. It's not about closing them down and keeping things contained. So in my group and in the practices, and we're gently learning to take the filters off. Take the filters off and see what's there. See what's really happening, and let that shine. Let that shine. Thank you so much.